So first of all, open your browser, Firefox, and first of all, let's take a website. For example, we will actually work on the sample website. We will not attack on any live website. So it will be illegal if you try on somebody else's website, right? So just you can try on your website. Otherwise, you can try on sample website. So the sample website I'm taking is vulnerweb.com because this is a sample website provided by Acunetics tool. So this is vulnerweb.com, and if you open this is the link of the website. Open that, and here you can see on the screen, let me zoom it. So there you can see on the screen there are 4 links available, right? As we are working on MySQL, right? So I will choose the second one, which is testphp.vulnerweb.com. So click on that and open this website. So this is the website you can see on the screen, right? testphp.vulnerweb.com, and we will try to find out information about this website. We will try to find out information about the username and password so that we can put here and get information about their database, etc., right? So how we can attack on this website? First of all, to attack via SQL injection, you need to find the link of the website. That is really important to start. So how you can get the link? Just copy the URL area here, right? Open a new link, open a new tab actually, and here you can simply type here site : paste the web URL here, space php !id equals to. Alright, it will help you to find the links available for the website. Hit enter, and you can see here that these kind of links we need to attack on the website. testphp.vulnerweb.com/artist.php ?artist equal to 1. So let's take this link, copy that, right, and minimize everything. Now do one thing, just open your terminal of Kali Linux operating system. Let me zoom it for you. Yeah. So first of all, as we already know that the outer shell of any web application backend is database. So we need to find a database first of all. Then later we will find out the table name, then column name, and then the data, actual data, which is inside the database. So my aim is here, first of all, to find out the name of the databases and number of the databases so that we can move further. So how we can get the database name here? Let me show you. So there are some fixed commands available in SQLMap tool that we can use. So what you can do, you can simply type SQLMap space -u and paste here the link which you have copied from here, and you can minimize this. Alright, testphp.vulnerweb.com/artist.php ?artist equal to 1. SQLMap -u, after that type the link of the website and space what you want to find. I want to find a database, so you can type DBS. DBS means databases. --DBS to find the databases of this website and hit enter. So you can see here that SQLMap has started, and it is asking a question that it looks like the backend is MySQL. Do you want to skip test payloads specific for DBMSs? If yeah, so what you will type here, yes or no. It is saying that we have found the databases regarding MySQL. Do you want to skip? Yes, we want to skip because we have already found the database name. So you can type Y and hit enter. It is saying that for the remaining tests, do you want to include all tests for MySQL? Yes, I want to test, and type Y and hit enter. Now it will test the web application or the web link which we have provided, and then it will find out information about the databases in the backend. So you need to just wait, right? You can see here that it is trying, it is attacking on MySQL, right, regarding parameter replace or procedure analysis, right, stack queries. and it is basically attacking on the artist. It is saying that parameter artist appears to be MySQL 5.0.12 and time based blind injectable. All right, so it is taking some time, and you can see here that it is trying on 20 columns and trying to find the number of columns available in the application. So you need to wait, and it will find out a single parameter which will be vulnerable, and we need to use that parameter to attack on the website, right? And then we will able to find the basically first the username and password, right? And we will be able to change the database information, right, by using SQL injection. So you need to just wait. So now you can see on the screen that we got the two databases here, and the first database is accurate and second database is information underscore schema. So basically information underscore schema is a kind of default database, right? And we will use accurate database, right, to find the number of tables. So you can see here that we got the number of databases available here, right? If it just remember one thing, if you get stuck here, right, then please hit enter and it will start it again. All right, so now we are going to use accurate database here to find out information, accurate database, and now we will try to find the number of tables inside accurate database. So how you can do that? You can simply type SQLMap space -u. You need to paste the link space. Now you need to specify the database name. So database name is accurate. So you can type here -D and the name of the database is accurate space. What you need to find? We are finding the number of tables. So you can type here --tables, right, and hit enter, and you will get the tables inside accurate database. Hit enter, and you can see that it is retrieving the table names. So here you can see that data inside database accurate there are 8 tables, and inside 8 tables these are the name of the tables: artist, cards, category, users, products, etc. Right? So inside a single database there are 8 tables. It looks like for example there is a square, right, and you are trying to divide that in 8 parts, so that they are the tables in which we need to find out information about the username and passwords. So I think if I guess, then I think this will be the right table name where I can get information about the usernames, passwords, etc. So I will take the users table name and I will find out the number of columns from this table name. So how we can find the number of columns? To find the number of columns, you can simply type SQLMap space -u and paste here the link space -D. You need to type the database name. So database name is accurate, that we already found. Now we need to specify the table name. So that -T table name is, I'm taking users. So you can type here users space, and now we are trying to find the column name. So we can type column -columns. All right. So it will provide you the number of columns and the name of the columns from users table, right? Hit enter. So you can see here that inside database accurate there is a table name users. Inside table name users there are 8 columns available, right? And we have found out 8 columns in which you can see there are email IDs, and password is also available, uname is also available, phone number, address, etc. Right? Now next task is to find out information about first of all uname is I think username, and pass is I think password. I'm just guessing, right? So let's find out information about the uname first of all. So to get username information you can type SQLMap -u, paste here the link space -D, and you need to specify the name of the database, which is accurate -T. You need to specify the table name. So I think the table name was users, right? Inside users table name we are trying to find the column. So the column name is uname. You can type -C and uname, right, space dump. So finally you need to type dash dump to extract the information about username from these tables, right? Hit enter. So there is only one column. I think it is showing just one here, and it is showing us the username test, I think. Yeah, so you can see here that it has provided us the username information. Username is test. Similarly, we can find information about the password. So you can type here, just click here and click on your upper arrow of your keyboard, right? And just replace this uname with PAWS, because there is another column available there, and the name of other column is PAWS. So we are going to find out information about password as well, and hit enter. Now it is retrieving the password from the database, right? And I think you can see on the screen that the password is also test. So username is test as well as password is test. You can also get information about other information like email IDs, etc. For example, if you take email, so what you can do, click here, click on up arrow to get the command again, and you can type email here to get information about email. So extracting email IDs, whatever inside that. Slowly it is taking one character at a time. You can see here that it is extracting the email ID. Whatever, basically it is a sample website, right? So that's why all the information available inside the database is also sample. So you can see here on the screen that it is trying to extract the email IDs. And here it is. So this is a kind of email ID available inside the database. Great. So we got the username, right? This is the password test, and this is the username test available. So what we can do here, just minimize this, open the website, and in that website you can see on the left hand side there is a button, sign up button here. So click on that, and on that sign up button you can see there is a username and password. Can you see here? Yeah, this is the username and password panel, right? So we got the username is test, and the password is also test. You can click on login, and you can see here that you are able to get information about the database here, right? You can see the name, you can see if there is any credit card number, if there is any email ID, if there is any phone number, address. You can also update the information from this database. So to update the database, you can simply remove the name. Let me type my name, right? And let me click on update. Please don't put your original information here. Original information, like don't put your phone numbers or email ID, address, credit card number, right? So because this is visible to all kind of hackers. So click on update, right? It has been updated. Let me log out. Let me log in again. Let me click on sign up, and if I type here test and test, and if I click on login, then you can see here that my name has been updated in that database. Basically I have updated their database and I have put my entries inside it. Got my point? So you can basically update their database easily, right? It's quite easy. So you have seen in the SQLMap that these are the really easy commands which you can use for website pen testing or to attack on a website using SQL injection, right? And you can also move to this directory to get information about you can see that info table accurate users dump to CSV file /root/SQLmap/output, etc. You can see here that this is .SQLmap. That .SQLmap means it is a hidden file. So let me check where it is. Let me click on places, click on home, right? And where is .SQLmap output test1web.com, and inside that you can see dump accurate users.csv. So dump accurate users.csv. You can see here that this is the information has been stored inside this file. So all the information has been saved, right? And you can get information here. The logs are also available, that what you have done. It will help you to create a report, right, for the client. And this is target.txt. You can see here information about the command. So these information can help you to create a final report for your client, right? So this is all about SQLMap, right? And don't try this method on somebody's website, right? You can try this method on your own website, or on a sample website like this, right? So thank you so much, and try this again, right?